Oh, it's Courtney. My favorite. So, this is fun. I'm showing you guys one of my favorite songs. Well, two of my favorite songs. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get started. So I just like to look at the table. How do you see this? All the way. And yeah, this is the slime. The big slime and giant, and it's really like it's really glossy. It's got a glossy texture to it. I love the glitter. I don't know how it has glitter slime. I don't know how this is glitter slime because like I don't even have that much glitter. There's only one glitter slime I used, and it made this big giant slime.
She ain't got no bit. I'm get a drill bit.
A drill. Okay. So this is a giant slime. It's so glossy. It's cute, guys. Look. If you do this, I'm not supposed to do that. Slime's not actually supposed to do that. But this come off and like not that quick. That just takes forever to come off. A little bit. So flat. I don't know what else to say, but yeah, it's so glossy. I want to make a bubble. Okay, look how spreadable this is. Spreadable. It's like a circle. Okay, I'm gonna put one of them. 1, 2, 3.
And they told Devin that yes, there was money left over, but that went for July and August in the fields.
Oh, this hole is getting smaller. I don't know if you could see that. Okay, so I'm gonna, got some stuck on my wrist. That's the easy way to get it off. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this thing. I'm gonna poke it, make this spreadable, spread it out, spread it out. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so I'm gonna poke it. Now I'm gonna poke it in the middle, kind of, a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look at it. It dissolved. Please don't.
Just throw all this slime away.
No, 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 no.
Huh?
She didn't believe it. That's like a science experiment.
Yeah, the night in the hospital they said you don't even need glue.
You can do different stuff.
Yeah. But Daddy did not want to buy the materials.
What materials do you need?
There's different kinds of materials. But the only material that we have is soap and sock. That's one material you can make slime with. And then you can make slime with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And you don't have to use sock with that one. That's
Glue though?
no.
No?
No. That's but Daddy says not to use my stuff for slime. Not to use like soap and stuff for slime. So
We'll have to get you your own soap and stuff for slime. How
yeah,
about that?
yeah, that's better. Gracie said slime is stupid, but she makes slime. How is slime stupid if she makes?
Remember she said squishies were stupid too until you got one?
Yeah, and then she got a unicorn.
Yeah.
She,
She don't know.
yeah. But it's so big. I love it. I gotta put that away. So giant. I love giant signs. But I wish I just could have gotten a glue. But I've tried more to make it like another big slime. But this is not as good. I didn't make the slime. I'm really glad I didn't because I didn't want to make a slime. I wanted to make a slime smoothie. A slime smoothie. Okay? Slime smoothie. Okay. This is my best part. Look, this is my best part of this slime. That's so satisfying to me. I don't know why, but look, it's so satisfying. Look, the next time, the next day, it ain't sticky. I'm just kidding. This slime is sticky a little bit, maybe a lot. There's one of this big. This is like there's a big slime. And a big slime. The giant.
We need to get a new fan too. We can go. I gotta work Friday and
I
Saturday.
said, feels like we need a new AC in there.
In here? No, it's. I try to tell you that it's not kicking on when it's supposed to. You have to do it manually. That's all it is. I try to show you like.
To me, it's never cool in here. When it's hot.
It's cool down. Come feel it. You have to do it manually, like every 15 minutes.
Oh.
That's it.
Sorry, I was not talking that loud. But here's the slime. This slime is really big. I like it. Let's just move on to the next one. So I have it in a cookie container. But my dad always used to use this for cookies. Always used to use this for cookies. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna use this for slime. And I used it already for slime smoothie. But that slime smoothie, I threw that away, and I was a waste of glue. I don't throw away my slime smoothies or slimes until they're melted, or like I keep my slimes until they smell bad, they stink, they like. I just don't like that. I just throw them away like that. But I can activate my slime, so if your slimes are melted, do not throw them away. You can activate them. I'm gonna put this tiny little bitty piece in. Oh, you see that right now? See it? Rising, it's rising. It was rising. Okay, this slime is kind of sticky. I can't even feel it. That's going to I just like swap. bubbles on it.
I had one too, man.
A little bit bubbles. See this slime? You see that? That's dried up slime. I was just now playing with slime a few minutes ago, like about 30 minutes ago. And what are you looking for?
A drill bit.
Did you get that one from that man across from the street in the back part over there? You can go get one from that man. Or that boy. Or whoever you got that drone from. Or whatever it's called. So this is my slime. This has, like, this is not even big. Like, I don't know. My slime was bigger than this. Yes, guys, it was bigger than this. Yes, it was bigger than this. Honestly, look at the size, look at the size. Look at the size, look. This is not big. But like, I still think it's a pretty slime. It's like a clear slime. As you can see, that the title's kind of clear. You can kind of see it. Let's see which one's clear. So I have to look on it. So the slime is, this is like darker purple. This slime pokes really well. I don't like this slime, not much. Kind of like annoying having this slime. That's the slime I was like this slime. So slime pokes amazing. As the same one as it pokes like the same, I guess. I think. So I poke the same on every slime. A little bit different, but look. I do it in the same order. So watch that poke. Okay? And watch this poke. Bubbles always pop up on there. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. Okay, reveal. Okay, so this first time I poked every slime. Okay, I poked the same. 1, 2, 3. First poke. Second poke. This slime is kind of sticky. This slime is kind of sticky, but
Damn, what fucking flies get in here.
and let's see what's clear. So first, I'm gonna start off with this one, and in these like little bitty dots where I poke them, some of them like are spiky because my hands are like really, my nails are like so like long right here, and sometimes I do poke hard. Like, look, this is how hard I can poke. That's how hard I can poke, and the hardness does go to your, like, does like make your fingers like hurt, but it's okay. So this is the clear slime. This is the first. It's not clear slime. I have no clear slime. 0. So you kind of can't see it of that. I'm guessing. Yeah, you can't see it. I can't even. Yeah, you can't. You can't see it. You can't see it. Oh no, I got some slime in it. Okay. So let's see if we can see out of this one. Yeah, I can see you guys. I can see you. And now because of color, I can actually see. I like both of the colors, but I can actually like see you. Like, there's no holes in the bubble. I can see you. See, guys, I can see you. Like, not because they have bubbles, or not because they have bubbles on the top. No, I won't make the bubble big. Okay, I can see that. There's no bubbles on here. None bubbles. Did y'all see any bubbles? This side is not sticky. It's really well. It goes so fast.
Morning.
Sir?
Go to Nana's and ask her for a drill bit.
A drill bit?
Yes.
Okay.
A Phillips.
A what?
A Phillips.
Okay.
Or a flathead. Come on, I need it.
Flathead.
Phillips or Flathead?